Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. So this is an 8314B RWS Stampede. This trailer is immaculate. I couldn't think of the word. This trailer is immaculate. It was sold here new. It is a 2023 14-foot short wall. It is 8 wide, 7'6" tall. It is pewter. The color is pewter. We actually don't have it anymore. It kind of looks like a champagne-ish color. It's real pretty. It's got the Merhow graphics. So the nose is stainless and the sticker is gone. It actually peeled off. So they took the whole sticker off, so it doesn't have a sticker on it. Dual hydraulic jacks, lockable battery box, 2 propane tanks, jiffy jack and spare. The only thing I can point out is they went somewhere that there were trees to get in where they went. And so there is a faint scratch there, and it's on the slide box as well. It's very faint, but I wanted to point that out. That's the only thing that I can find wrong with this trailer. You can't really see it very far from a distance, but you can totally see it up close. So I wanted to point that out. It does have the upgraded hot water heater. It does have a escape door, flip up step at the escape door, 3 drop down windows with bars, aluminum wheels, the extrusion, that's extruded sides underneath the last 2 windows, 2 manger doors for storage, has a load light package that gives you load lights with switches all the way around. So each light has a switch and has a light on either side of the trailer and on the rear. This trailer, as you can see, here's my sticker. It has a rear ramp, collapsible rear tack, 3-tier saddle rack, blanket bar, brush box. It's got a set of bridle hooks on the left inside of the rear collapsible tack. Horse box is in great shape. It's fully lined and insulated with roof vents, has big slider windows on the rear. Horse box, again, no issues that I can see. Padded airflow divider, lower divider. Empty weight of this trailer is 10,406. 10,406 empty weight. They've got a set of hooks here in the first stall. So horse box is in great shape. This trailer definitely has been well taken care of. Has a big power awning. Flip up step into the LQ. 110 outlet here on the outside. I will show you there is one scratch here above this 110 outlet. I noticed that. Very faint, but wanted to point that out. Inside outside speakers. Fresh water tank with water pump. So this layout enables you to have a couch and a dinette. Fighting with the door, guys. So it's got the dinette that makes a bed. It's got a couch that makes a bed. Has the 2 steps up to the bed area. It's got a added TV up in the bed area. There's cabinets there behind those 2 pillows with a small hanging bar for storage. It has a ducted AC and propane furnace. Storage there, cabinets there above the couch. 110 outlet beside the couch. Storage actually here. Rear kitchen. They've made a flip-up, nice butcher board flip-up counter for this trailer. It's got soft touch walls. It's got the crown molding around the top of the trailer. That's the crown molding all the way around the top of the trailer. It just finishes out the LQ. Rear kitchen has glass top 2-burner stove. That's a mouthful. It's got a convection microwave. You can bake in that microwave. Big fridge. It does have a cabinet below your radio and TV. That TV is on a swing arm, but you can swing that out. Cabinets in the slide box. There's storage underneath both of these dinette seats, and it goes completely across, as well as you've got the whole deck of this for storage as well. Again, this trailer is like new condition. It's in excellent shape. It's been very, very well kept. Very well kept. Cared for. That's what I was trying to say. All right. Heading in the bathroom. It's got a sink and vanity. Big mirror. Big vanity. Walk-through door. Fantastic fan. It's got 2 towel rings. It's got a big closet here. Big hanging closet for storage. Pocket bathroom door. Walk-through door. Big shower. Again, this is a 14-foot LQ B RWS in excellent shape. If you're looking for a lightly used trailer, this would be a great one. It's been very well kept, cared for. Good God. I'm having a hard time today, guys. Getting tongue twisted. All right, so stepping back out. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Please go to our website for more information, pictures, pricing of this trailer. Again, it is a 2023 8314B RWS at Carolina Trailer Sales. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.